Y'all done tried all of that before. I still be ate up. I just think it ain't for me. Even though I keep doing it anyway. What about Vaseline? I use Vaseline. Try the chicken pot lotion. Okay, hey, King J. Somebody pin King J, y'all. King J is from the cornstarch community. If you are looking to get cornstarch, if you are a cornstarch eater, check him out. He is a supplier. Go and get the cornstarch. Calamine lotion and aquaphor. Okay, I'm gonna have to try that. Thank you, Miss Rated B. Hey, Life is Tink. Thank you. F them. Why is it F the cornstarch community? I like them. They cool. They ain't no worse than you. You got them beat by a mile. Oh yes, it's more powder going in the egg. Right now I'm just... Let's get it pasty. Shh. Shh. It's ASMR. Shh. Thank you, Mickey. I'm about to let QC in the box. QC, you need to tell them. Shh. Shh. We're about to do just straight cans on this round. I hope my girl Knuckles and everything weird is in here. They love a good powder mountain, baby. The crickets too loud? Y'all want me to close the garage? Are the crickets messing up the ASMR? See, y'all can hear the crickets when I was talking. But now y'all want me to talk, so now y'all can hear the crickets. Now the crickets is talking. It smells like Tide. It literally smells just like Tide. Nothing else. It don't even smell like Ajax cans went in here. It's just crazy. Ooh, this taste is gonna be tea. We need some hand mixing. I got you. All the liquid haven't went in yet. Once all the liquid goes in, then we'll go from there. Don't worry. We're gonna do hand mixing. Y'all, so let me tell y'all what's tea. How many of y'all follow, which I know Ness about to be over here punching the motherfucking air, but who cares? How many of y'all follow Saucy and Nuke? Did anybody see the crash out on live yesterday, baby? I was so sad. Minding their business. They was going at it. But let me tell you something. Let me tell y'all 3 or 4 something. And I'm speaking for myself too. Can we all come together in one live? So if y'all gonna argue, I need y'all to argue in one place, okay? Don't get me wrong, we do all need to just get along on here, but I mean, a whole bunch of estrogen, god damn, Sammy, get it out. A whole bunch of estrogen in one place, there's bound to be a blow up, so I get it. We're women. Unfortunately, Women are emotional creatures. We always got something to say. We low-key say, oh, I don't care. Whole time we being nosy. So with that being said, there's bound to be arguments and disagreements. But if you can handle your disagreement outside of the app, act accordingly. Just the scent of the overload smells just like Tide liquid. And I am guilty. I do get on live occasionally and yell at my phone. But I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to stop yelling at my phone. My phone did not ask for this type of abuse. My phone ain't got nothing to do with it. Phone be getting beat up from the shoulders. Okay, I think we got it smooth enough for right now. And I'll never get on here and act innocent, because baby, I done did my share. I sure done did my share. But in 2026, take it to the inbox. Thank you. And if you don't take it to the inbox, if you decide to get on live and speak your piece, do not be mad when people is voicing their opinion. Because when you got on live, you decided to allow people to voice their opinion. Okay? If not, just cut the comments off. I remember that. That was the time to be alive, honey. That whole era was just something. Game probably started, we just saying anything. Cause sister was just saying anything that day. She was just mad. But honestly, I like the pastor. Her dad's to call us big backs. And B never whooped their ass. Oh, I want to squeeze this. Y'all want me to squeeze this or y'all want powder on it? That thing look good. 36. Squeeze it, half and half. Okay. There's a meeting in my bedroom. Oh. So girl, please don't be late. There's a meeting in my bedroom. How many people caught my story last night? It was late. Who was up late last night and caught my story? I took it down, but it was funny. Okay, y'all only got 36 more cans to go. What's my go-to laundry product? Roma. Roma will forever and always be that girl. I was on there singing real hard after I had got drunk at the club. Whole time y'all was like, where's Sammy? Sammy was drunk at the club. Ain't that something? No, I'm lying. I wasn't in no club. I posted a flashback from a month of Sundays ago. On my way home from drinking. Okay, we see who was up late last night. I was gonna get on live last night. Y'all better be glad the precinct escaped y'all. I had to wait on my precinct girlies.